How to schedule posts on Facebook for free. If you're using a Facebook profile in professional mode, you can schedule posts directly within the app. First, make sure you have enabled professional mode on your profile. Once that's active, open the Facebook app and tap on what's on your mind to create a new post. After writing your content, tap Next, then select Schedule for Later. Choose your desired date and time, then tap the back arrow and finally hit Schedule to confirm. Keep in mind that Facebook's built-in scheduler works only for original posts. You won't be able to schedule shared or reposted content. If you need more advanced options, you might consider third-party tools like Buffer or Hootsuite, which offer content calendars, analytics, and collaboration features. If you ever need to edit a scheduled post, you might have to delete it and start over, as Facebook doesn't currently support editing scheduled posts directly. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.